What's up, folks? This is Josh with Fair RC, bringing you a close look at the all-new Atlas 4x4 1/10 scale from ROCHobby. All right, look at this, the Mudmaster. This thing looks awesome. Just look at the details. It looks so cool, man. I love the lights. Wow. All right, so this is another continuation with the post-war design. We got a 340 millimeter wheelbase, 198 millimeters wide. It's ready set. Ball bearings, full set. Metal gear, full set. Nylon roll cage, metal frame, 4-link suspension, rapid separation car body, painted body, original personalized stickers, 120 millimeter all-terrain tire, 35 turn, 550 motor, 2.4 gigahertz radio system. Man, look at this. Let's go. And they come in orange, yellow, and blue. I believe we got that blue one. Let's go. All right, here we go. You got awesome locks. Look at this. Flip up lid. Wow, look at that. That's too cool. Wow, this thing's heavy. She's all there. Really nice. Injection molded. Gonna keep him safe. The old Mudmaster. Wow. Bro. We got our spare tire and mount in the bag. Look at this. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell that you don't miss out on any of the new models coming from Fair RC. Pick up your new models at fairrc.com. Check us out. All right, look at that, folks. We got our decals put on. We got our fire extinguishers mounted. We got the rear tire mounted, and we got the rear hitch, a little catch hitch. Very cool little feature, I thought. All of it's really, really cool. Mounted really easy. Stickers are nice, go on nice and easy. And of course, if you know me, we went with the Texas license plate. Had a couple other options: Australia, Queensland, California, and Montana. So pretty cool. Love the setup of this thing. It feels really good. All right, we got 4 AA batteries in the radio, not supplied. We're gonna go ahead and switch it on. To access the battery, we're going to go ahead and pop up the body. We got a battery plugged in, XT60s. Switch it on. Very handy, light wire. It's tucked out of the way. It hinges. Very nice. And the body just latches in just like that. Really cool. Whoa! All right, there we go. Let's go ahead and get it out on the rocks. A little big for a table. Let's go. All right, we brought the Mudmaster out for a little rock crawling adventure. It handled great. It was so much fun. Be sure to turn up on your radio your dual rate. It is the buttons just above the on switch on the radio. Make sure to hit the plus button until it beeps 2 or 3 times, and that will really help you out. When I first brought it out, it wasn't all the way up, and so we struggled just a little bit, but then when we got that turned up, it came alive. It was a whole lot more fun to drive, and you can see here, had a great time. Just ate up some rocks. It was great for bashing around. It'd be a great trail rig. It looks absolutely just phenomenal, just gorgeous rig. So there you have it, the all-new 1/10 scale Mudmaster Atlas 4x4 from ROCHobby. Pick yours up today, fairrc.com. Look at the save, eating the rocks, man. Thanks for hanging out. Josh with Fair RC. Sure do appreciate you guys. Make sure you hit subscribe, like on your way out. Hope you guys have a great day. Check out the slow run coming up quickly.